How to transfer from MetaMask to Trust Wallet. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer from MetaMask to Trust Wallet, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your MetaMask extension, just like I have done here. And then once you're on the extension page, you can see MetaMask, you can see the network and all of that. And the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on the network that you'd like to that contains what you'd like to send, and in this case is Ethereum. All right, or it could be anything actually, but I would like to select Ethereum. So after selecting Ethereum, the network could be changed as well as the balance, and then the next thing to do is to click on send. And so you'll be required to enter in the address that you would like to send the Ethereum to. So the next thing to do is to download the Trust Wallet on your mobile phone. Majorly, Trust Wallet works on phones. Could be iPhone, or it could be an Android. So after downloading Trust Wallet, navigate through to the wallets page and then copy the wallet address for your Ethereum. So after copying it, come back to your MetaMask, paste the wallet address here, and then you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to enter in the total amount of Ethereum or cryptocurrency that you would like to change to transfer. And so after entering it in, you'll be asked to confirm your details, confirm transactions, and then just like that, your Ethereum or your cryptocurrencies will be transferred from your MetaMask wallet to your Trust wallet. So it is simple. Try it as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.